Hi, I'm Tracy and welcome to Sweet Bay Lane. I'm so glad you stopped by to craft with me because this is part 4 of a 4-part series focusing on those sweet treat ornaments of the Candy Land theme that seems to be trending this holiday season. Now, if you missed part 1, 2, and 3, I'll have those linked in the description box below. Okay, for DIY number 1, you're going to need some white chenille yarn, some styrofoam balls, some little mini pom-poms or some little gumdrops like these little gumdrop ornaments I got at Hobby Lobby, and some little cupcake liners. I start the project by gluing the chenille yarn around half of the styrofoam ball. And once I'm done with that, I then add hot glue to the bottom yarn covered part and I attach the cupcake liner. Now that that's dry, I just take the yarn and I spiral it around the top to make the icing of the cupcake. And then top it with the sugar plum ornament, and this serves as the hanger for the little cupcake ornament. Now, if you can't find the little gumdrop ornaments, you can also use the little mini pom-poms as I'm showing you here. You just take one little pom-pom, add a piece of ribbon to the back side of it, and then glue it to the top of the cupcake. And there you have 2 cute little cupcake ornaments. I think these would also be great for a birthday party too, or maybe like a little baby shower. I think they'd be adorable. Now we're moving on to DIY number 2, which is going to be a cute little ice cream cone. To begin, we start with a piece of brown construction paper and we will roll it into a cone shape and secure it with some hot glue or some paper glue, whatever you have on hand. Now that our glue is dried, we trim it down to our desired size. Mine's going to be smaller because I want mine to be an ornament. Now that I have my cone trimmed down to its desired size, I add a touch of hot glue to the inside of the cone and I stuff it with the chenille yarn. Now you could also stuff it with tissue paper, whatever you have on hand, but since you're going to have the yarn, you might as well go ahead and use it. And once that's done, I then put some hot glue at the top of my cone and I glue one of the styrofoam balls securely to the top. And once that's secure, I then proceed to spiral the chenille yarn up around the top of the exposed styrofoam ball to make it look like it's a twisty cone. Once Once my yarn spiraled to the top, I then trim off the excess, make sure it's securely attached, the end is securely attached, and then I come in and add my hanger, which is going to consist of a little pink pom-pom and a pink strip of ribbon that I will attach to the top of my ice cream cone. I think this turned out adorable. It looks so sweet too. It actually really looks delicious. I think both of these turned out adorable. Thank you so much for watching, and I'm so grateful to have you here at Sweet Bay Lane. Until next time, happy crafting!